Hey everyone, I'm Saade from grade 9 Gandaki, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to calculate some statistical measures by using Excel. We're going to be covering mean, median, Q1, Q3, quartile deviation and standard deviation. So here I've entered a random set of 10 different numbers. And now first, the mean, which is the average of the entire value. The formula for mean is going to be equal to average, and then we have to fill out the cells that the values are in. So 14.2 is going to be the mean that the Excel formula automatically fills out. Now for median, which is going to be the middle value of the data, the formula is going to be equal to median, and then we have to fill out the cells. Now the median here is going to be 14. Now Q1, which is going to be the 25th% of the data, is going to be equal to quartile inc, the cells, and now for this one we also have to write 1 at the end because we're going to be finding Q1, which is 13. Now for Q3, it's going to be the exact same thing as Q1, but at the end, instead of 1, we're going to be using 3 as we're finding the third quartile. Now for quartile deviation, which is the scatteredness of the middle value, the formula is there isn't going to be an exact formula for quartile deviation, but we can just use the cells that Q3 and Q1 are in and then use the formula. Now for QD, which is the scatteredness of the middle value, there isn't an exact formula for QD, but we can just use the cells that Q3 and Q1 are in and use the value equal to bracket. Now we can just type in the cells that Q3 and Q1 are in and divide them by 2. So the quartile deviation is going to be 1, so we can see that now ST, which is the standard deviation, is going to be using the formula equal to STDEV dot S Now standard deviation is going to be using the formula equal to STDEV dot P by A1 colon A10 bracket close. Now this is going to be the formula for standard deviation, which is 1.77. Now thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys have learned how to use statistical measures by using Excel.